As in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the swipe shutter button to take burst shot on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, in the camera settings, you want to go down and tap on swipe shutter button 2. And from here, select take burst shot. Now tap on the back key to go back to your camera. And from now on, when you swipe down on the shutter button, it will start to take the burst shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.